I want to take this time and opportunity to welcome all of my first time viewers, returning viewers, subscribers. Welcome to Free Thinkers Media Network podcast. And on today's podcast, we're going to be dealing with a very, very exciting topic on how to create your own daily affirmations. This is going to be a really, really great podcast. Okay. My name is Noel. So let's get ready now that you understand from the first video that we released entitled The Power of Affirmations, what affirmations are and why they are important, you are ready to begin writing your own. Okay, and we're going to take you on this exciting journey, so please get a pen, a piece of paper, because we're about to help you to learn how to do this on your own. So now the first step in terms of creating your own daily affirmations is that you have to begin to think about what you want to accomplish, okay? You have to begin to think about what you want to accomplish. Affirmations tend to fall into four main categories, okay? Now remember, think about what you want to accomplish, but we're going to look at these four categories in order to help you to get there. First category is called changing habits, okay? And when we're talking about changing habits, this could be changing bad habits, or you may be looking at developing like a new habit, which is a good habit. For instance, like exercising more regularly or eating more healthy. So it's not just bad habits, okay? So that's the first category, is changing habits. The second category is entitled motivational. And this helps you to find the motivation you need in order to accomplish your goals. Now, the third category is entitled situation focus. Now, this focus is basically on something specific and could include anything from school to jobs or even relationships. And then the fourth category is entitled attitude improvement. Now, this focuses on helping you improve an aspect of your personal attitude, such as improving self-esteem, kindness, or compassion towards others. Now, once you are able to identify the areas you want to change, you can begin to prioritize which affirmations you should write. While there is no limit on the amount of affirmations you can say every day, it might be a good idea to focus on the ones that are most important to you. Now, by focusing your affirmations to follow your personal priorities, you are allowing your mind to more closely focus on the things that matters. Now, once you have identified your priorities, it's time to begin writing your affirmations. And I'm just going to actually give you guys here a few tips to keep in mind when you are writing your affirmations. Are you ready? Get ready. We're about to get this done. Writing your affirmation, remember to always use the present tense. Keep it positive. Do not use phrases like I need or I want. Do not focus on how your goals will be accomplished. Only focus on the final outcome. If you believe it, you will find a way to make it happen. All right, now I'm going to actually kind of give you guys some common types of affirmations, okay, to help you with your writing process. The first one is I will, okay? These affirmation focuses on what you will do today. For example, if your goal is to go to the gym, one affirmation could be I will go to the gym, or I will work out. Or also, if your goal is to make friends at work, your affirmation could be, I will talk to someone new today, or I will get along with my co-workers. So the next type is I can. Okay, I can. Now, these affirmations states that you can achieve something. It may be achieving a goal. For instance, I can finish my assignment, or I can get a promotion, or they can focus on breaking a bad habit. I can stop drinking, or I can stop overeating. Okay, so the next type is called I am. Now, these affirmations focuses on reaffirming what you believe to be true about yourself. Examples may include I am smart, I am kind, I am beautiful, or I am good enough. Now, once you have created your personal affirmations, whether it's I will, I can, or I am, it is important to recite them on a daily basis. Every day, pause for a few moments to recite your affirmations. Make sure you are in a quiet place where you can completely focus on what you are saying. Once you begin reciting your affirmations, you will be amazed by the results. In closing, I want to just kind of remind anyone who is going to actually utilize these tools to begin to write your own positive affirmations. After you're done, number one, keep them in a visible place. Number two, carry them with you. Number three, make an affirmation schedule, okay, where you can kind of revise it if you have to. And then the final one is incorporate affirmations into your meditation time. All right, I hope everyone who is listening to this, whether via Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube, I hope this was helpful. And now we would like to ask you for your support. How can you support us? By subscribing, by sharing, donations. And when you do subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you can receive all of our upcoming videos that we have in the making. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Cheers.